What's going on, everybody out there on YouTube? It's Jim Wreckage in the building. One half doing the narrating of this video, Will Hughes. Today's video is, of course, how to get big arms. Part 2, we're going to be focusing on the bicep. Once again, this is all within your full arm day, the bicep part. So we didn't just work biceps today. We worked the whole arm group: biceps, triceps, shoulders, forearm. But this part 2 of how to get big arms, is going to focus on only the bicep part of our workout. So we started off with seated dumbbell curls, which you're seeing now. The reason why we did them seated is because the back is placed against the back pad, of course, and it does not allow you to rock your body and cheat, which means that you're working and isolating the bicep completely. A great exercise for, of course, increasing size and, of course, strength as well of the bicep. Okay, now we're going to switch it up to the preacher curls, which are actually a similar exercise in that it's isolating by, you're actually putting the back of your arm, the tricep, on the pad, which doesn't allow you to kind of move your arm, so you're isolating the bicep once again. We used the easy bar. We stacked up some moderately heavy weight. As you can see by the titles we have on each part of the workout, 3 sets, 8 to 12 reps are our standard rep range for each exercise that we usually do. All right, the third bicep exercise we did on the bicep portion of our arm day was the utilizing the easy bar once again. We like the easy grip bar because it allows you to shift your grip to a more comfortable way for your wrists. We used heavy weight and we did reverse grip curls, bicep curls with the easy bar. The reason why we reversed it is just to differentiate things and also, you know, get a little forearm action, a little grip strengthening action as well. Just a good way to finish things off. Once again, a very good burn of the bicep, helping develop size of the bicep and the forearm, of course, as well. So you're killing two birds with one stone for the final exercise. And once again, 3 sets, 8 to 12 reps. I'm going to catch y'all next time for part 3. Part 3, we're going to focus on the shoulders and might just go into the forearms as well. I'm going to check in with y'all next time. Gym Records, let's get it.